Mashallah, we love you guys. Mga supporter po sila. Even ibang lahi po sila. Mga ano po, Risbacker sila. Ang ano sila, mabilis silang mag-ano din. Mag-reply, mag-ano sa inyo, mag-respect sa inyo po. Amal is, I want shisha because I'm addicted for shisha, okay? This one. My husband bought this, okay? Sometimes I use this in my office. Assalamualaikum, alaikum salam. The flavor is strawberry. Miss you, baby, mashallah. Kafi kula damam kwais. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm good man. Please help me for something. Miss you, mashallah, mashallah. Kefek, we love you all. Mashallah, we love you all, guys. Mashallah, the mini kala. What's my thought my? Sometimes I cannot read your English. Assalamualaikum. Jugur, miss you, mashallah, miss you too. Ako lang po ang Pinay. Madam, oh yes, ikaw pumasok na Pinay kasi natutulog na ang mga kababayan natin. So cute, thank you so much. Kahit ibang lahi po sila, mga Risbacker din sila, mashallah. Who are you from? I'm here in Jeddah. Dishad. Hi Madam Manisan, watching from, who is this? Friends? Malis, I'm so sorry, so fast the comment. I cannot read quickly, okay? My lovely friend, Jugu, Assalamualaikum, Shabas, Alaikum Salam. This bid is Habid. I cannot, wallah. Happy New Year to all, mashallah, this had Asma. My husband bought this abaya, okay? No? No? He bought this. So expensive, subhanallah. But so big because my husband loved Kabir abaya. He said to me, wear your white abaya. But sometimes it's very big, but the design is very nice. The design is very nice. But look like very big. My husband loved very big abaya. But me, no. Thank you. Happy New Year to all. We love you guys. Okay, if you're not monetized, just go. Okay, don't give up.